Hey, Bayek, it's come, it's here. Honestly, the postman has just handed me this, and I know exactly what this is. It's something I've been waiting for. I've pre-ordered it. It is Doctor Who: The Collection, Season 9. Yes, a Jon Pertwee Third Doctor box set in these brilliant, they're fantastic, these box sets. So I'm going to open it up and show you. And yeah, let me get on with it. Oh, well, oh, look, straight away. There it is. Look. Oh, fantastic. It's just marvellous, isn't it? Look at that. Marvellous. It's great. Right, let me now open it up. Take this off. Oh, fantastic. This is just great. Man. Get this off. There we are. Right, so there we are. Now, there it is. Have another look. Yeah. Now, what I'm going to do is read out the episodes that are on this, because they are some of the real classic Jon Pertwee episodes. It's got Day of the Daleks. Absolutely love Day of the Daleks. The Curse of Peladon. Wow, that's another great story. And then the iconic The Sea Devils. Then we've got the Mutants. And then we've got the Time Monster. Oh, what a brilliant set of episodes. And it's all here. I can't wait to watch these. Honestly, it's so exciting. And then we've got all these new extras, as well as what were on the DVDs, and oh wow! So let me just there's the back again. There's the back on there. It has this, like, this is the only sort of J cards I actually like. It's a hard one, solid, hard, not this rubbish stuff that they do. And there you can keep it and display it in there. That is how J card should be. Yes, that's it. And then here we are. Now, look at that. Wow. There is all the inside. There's all those wonderful discs. They're all in here. They're all brilliantly, you've got a lovely design on the discs. It's great. And then we've got this. I always have this little inside. Let me show you inside. It opens up beautifully. Oh, look, I'll show you this. Look at the inside of the TARDIS. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is fantastic. Then, this is what's inside. We've got a booklet here. Look at this booklet. And it runs through all the episodes. And look, it's not just all photographs. It's detailed look at the episodes. I mean, that is fantastic. I mean, so many of these booklets, you don't get that. But, I mean, it's just wonderful, isn't it? I wish more box sets. As usual, Doctor Who is showing you how good box sets should be done. You know, say no more. I mean, I'm such a big fan of the series, I'm bound to say that. And then here we've got an advertisement on more Doctor Who products. It says, it's got about the comics and all the audio stories. This is also a nice little booklet of all the things that we can get. So I'll put that back. Seal this up. And then you always get a nice little seal there. And then I'll put it back in here. Here by heck. So you can guess what I've been watching. It really is a great joy. It really is just to have this. It's my indulgence. I don't get really nowadays many really big box sets or anything, partly financial, and they're not as exciting as this for me. But here it is, classic Doctor Who. You can't beat it, honest. You can't beat classic Doctor Who. And here it is, Doctor Who Collection, Season 9. Brilliant. Well, that's it. Oh, you enjoyed it. I can feel the excitement still. So, please subscribe if you want to know when I produce these videos. And if you like it, give it a like. And also, give me your comments as well. I say it all costs note, which you can't say fairer than that, can you? It don't cost note. So all I've got to say is, I'll see thee again.